All right, just got my tiki fire pit. Let's get this fire started. Included fire pit, cover, wood pack, hardware pack. Step 1, remove content. Step 2, remove ash pan. Step 3, set pit into legs and screw into place. Step 4, reinsert ash pan. Step 5, find location. And step 6, fire it on up. Cool. A free styrofoam block for your approval. That's the cover. Oh, want more? 10% off. Best of backyard. Okay, great. Again, let's get this fire started. Here's the user guide. It's for your fireside reading pleasure. Freely ask questions. Keep the fire going. More instructions. Okay, more instructions. Okay. What else we got here? We got their new fire pit wood pack. Just light the pack and burn it, and then that's it. I know you can buy these separately. They actually started selling these before I could get my hands on one of these, but it's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was. And it's heavy too. It's supposed to burn, I think, for 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes. Some sort of hat. Just kidding, I know it's not a hat. And the fire pit itself. It's actually a little nicer than I thought it would be. It's because of these holes here, and especially here, that helps it really burn a lot cleaner than normal. Seems reasonably solid for what it's worth. I guess we should pull it out of the box. All right, it's out, and there's the legs inside. Looks like upside down. Should be easy assembly. We already saw the instructions. Just line up the holes, use the included screw and the included wrench, snug it on down. And there it is, all assembled. Assembly probably took all of maybe 10 minutes. It's pretty simple, really. And this is the best part about this thing. This is why I bought it. It's because this ash pan here, after the fire dies down and it cools, you pull the ash pan out, you dispose of the ashes properly, and guess what? You're ready for the next fire. This center cone here is only to be used for the wood packs. If you're burning regular wood, you don't want to use it. Can't wait to burn something in this. I'll probably start with that wood pack right there. And this is what it looks like in my fire pit with the cover on it. Now all we got to do is wait for it to get dark so we can make a fire. Okay, it's dark now. So per the instructions, take the wood pack, put it right on top of the cone there, and set it on fire. And then after it died down, we added more firewood. Wow, coyotes in the background too. And here it is the next morning. This is after about a 2 or 3 hour fire pit burn. It was dark, so we didn't tell how much of a mess that we made right there on the rim. But overall, held up just fine. It was a good campfire, a good fire pit that we're pretty happy with so far. Let's see how much ash we collected. There's quite a bit there. There's more in there, but it's all dependent on the wood that you use. I'm willing to bet that this is all from the Tiki Torch fire pit bag that we used to start. Overall, pretty happy with this.